a little bit about us as a company. We're again grateful to be backed by the most amazing investors in the U.S. If it's Techstars or Verizon or Imagine Ventures, we've been featured in all these different events. So definitely, if you're in the next once things go back to normal, and you're coming to some tech event, definitely look us up and check if our team is there to say hello. We won a bunch of awards. But there's obviously some vanity metrics about the company. We'd love to say that a lot of people love to build applications across different platforms, and these are different horses on the track that we're trying to facilitate. We're trying to build, that track to help all these horses get to their destination. So definitely use Echo to build your application. As I mentioned, register for an API key today, or use the link to register for free to get our premium tier. Build a cool application with Echo during the hackathon. I'm so excited to see where you're going to build. And again, we have this sponsored prize for the ones that have built the best application. So definitely do that. This was Echo helping you build better AR/VR applications, growing your business, focusing on your product, and leave the service to us.